Edge Matrix is a pioneering project in the cryptocurrency realm, focusing on integrating blockchain technology with artificial intelligence applications. In this video, we explore what Edge Matrix is, the problems it addresses, its use cases, and I'll provide some real-life examples to elucidate its significance. Edge Matrix introduces a blockchain computing power network designed specifically for AI applications, and by incorporating a computer power consensus to complete AI tasks, Edge Matrix diverges from traditional blockchain mechanisms. The project leverages a combination of proof of work and proof of stake mechanisms adapted to validate AI tasks, which it terms as POW and POS, so proof of AI tasks. Now, proof of AI tasks is a mechanism used by Edge Matrix to validate AI tasks on its blockchain network. It functions as a specialized consensus protocol that ensures the security and integrity of AI operations within the network. Validators within the system are responsible for confirming the authenticity and accuracy of AI tasks, ensuring that they are completed correctly before being added to the blockchain. This process allows for a decentralized and trustless environment for running and validating AI tasks, which is crucial for applications requiring significant computational resources. And the primary problem Edge Matrix addresses is the high cost and centralization of computing power necessary for AI applications. Edge Matrix addresses the issue of high cost and centralization in AI computing power by creating a distributed network of nodes that share the workload of AI tasks. Now, this network utilizes a unique consensus mechanism that validates AI tasks rather than just transactions. It spreads the computational load across various nodes, lowering the entry barrier for those who wish to contribute to or utilize AI technologies. And by combining blockchain and AI technology, EMC not only improves the efficiency of AI, but also ensures fairness and security of data. Now, this technological model can be applied to various industries, providing enterprises and individuals with more efficient and secure AI services and bringing more commercial and social value. And for those of you who have been here for a while, know that I look at three narratives in specific during this bull market. Now, the first one is GameFi, the second one is AI, and the third one is real-world use cases. Now, it already checks the box for AI, but let's see if it can do the same for real-world use cases. But before we move on, please know that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Always do your own research and only invest money you're willing to lose, because even though you can gain a lot in crypto, you will most likely lose it all. Now, in the event that you do become filthy rich, it's important that you safeguard your crypto. And the best way, in my opinion, to do this is by using hardware wallets. And my personal choice of hardware wallet is Tangent because it's very convenient. All you need is your phone and a card to be able to utilize the hardware wallet. I've made a dedicated video on it, which I'll link down below as well. Be sure to check it out. And if you want to buy their hardware wallet, make sure to use my coupon code as well, which will give you an additional 10% off. Right, so now it's time to look at whether or not Edge Matrix checks the box for real-world use cases. EMC Protocol is a blockchain and peer-to-peer network-based edge computing protocol that includes features such as smart contracts, decentralized storage, and consensus mechanisms for transaction validation. It aims to connect various servers, personal computers, and other devices to form a decentralized computing power network. It can serve as the infrastructure connecting decentralized computing power and dApps, providing users with more flexible, reliable, and efficient computing resources and enabling them to share computational power and process data together. Now, the advantage of EMC Protocol is that it can integrate computing power and applications from different sources, enabling them to exchange and collaborate on a unified platform. It provides a computing power marketplace where users can access EMC Protocol's computing power sockets and search for suitable computing power or applications in the marketplace. Now, this marketplace is decentralized and users can make secure and fast payments and settlements through smart contracts and cryptocurrencies. Now, at the same time, EMC Protocol also provides some infrastructure such as data storage and identity verification to make it more convenient for users to use the platform. So Edge Matrix offers a wide array of use cases, from AI model training to real-time AI service deployment. Let's look at three real-life examples where Edge Matrix can make a difference. First up, healthcare. Now, I'm sure we all have to deal with it. You either go to the doctor or you need to go to the hospital. Or maybe you know someone that once did. By using AI models, patient outcomes can be predicted. The AI models can also assist in diagnosis and make personalized treatment plans for the patient. ChatGPT, for instance, allows you to create dietary plans, and Edge Matrix could decentralize the computing power needed for these tasks, making advanced healthcare technologies more accessible to hospitals and clinics worldwide. And the second sector where Edge Matrix can make a difference is smart cities. AI can optimize traffic flow, energy usage, and public safety in urban areas. Through Edge Matrix, municipalities could deploy AI solutions more efficiently, leveraging the computing power of the network. Now, the third and final one in this video is financial services. I've been in the financial industry for many years now and know that a lot of things can be done better through AI. For instance, AI-driven fraud detection and customer service can be enhanced with Edge Matrix, allowing financial institutions to process vast amounts of data securely and efficiently. Right now, the biggest banks in the country have thousands of people working for them that write and audit reports on entities and natural persons. It's a large cost item for those companies, which would become much less if AI is utilized the right way. So having an understanding about the project is one, right? But you're probably here for the money. Now, before you go and ape in, it's important that you make informed decisions, and that's where these tools come into play. First up, Gecko, because it's a fairly new project. At the time of this recording, it's actually at its all-time high, but only accessible through Uniswap. Now, the project is built on Arbitrum, so this means that it's on a platform that is upcoming and it's not widely available yet. Usually, when projects launch on BitGet, Binance, KuCoin or Kraken, for instance, they get a push in price because people see that as something bullish. I haven't jumped into their socials to see if there is anything going on in that regards, but it's something to take into consideration. Gecko also brings you their official socials and website, so be sure to check them out to stay up to date. For full transparency purposes, I've came across this project on Twitter and I figured I would go and have a look. Currently, I don't own any EMC, so I'm not here shilling my own bags, and even if I was, the amount of people watching this video can't put a dent in the price upwards or downwards, so it wouldn't make sense anyways. Now, the second metric that I'm going to look at is Twitter score. Now, I've mentioned this quite a lot, but it's actually handy when it comes to newer projects because the data available is very low and it can tell whether or not something is picking up momentum. Now, unfortunately, twitterscore.io does not show me how their followers have developed over time, but what I can see is that Lark Davis is following them as well as that Martini guy, and both of them are reputable crypto influencers. Now, the Twitter itself shows a high level of activity with the latest news that they have released an AI bot called Jarvis. Now, Masari.io gives us a nice overview of the project as well, where we can see the price action but also that the volume is picking up. And by the way, a quick look at Arbiscan shows that there currently are a little over 7k holders, which might be good to know as well, and it's added to a little over 1800 portfolios through Gecko. Now, because this project is fairly new, Bubble Maps is another great tool because here we can see the distribution of the wallets. Now, there are some big wallets in the top 7 and none of them seem to belong to an exchange, which matches with our findings on Gecko. So this could either mean that some people hold a lot of this token being able to dump on you, or that the liquidity pool on Uniswap, for instance, has been funded. From place 8 and onwards, we see a nice distribution between wallets with low amounts of percentages, which means that these people cannot single-handedly change the price. Now, what I've done is I've checked the top wallets in Arkham Intelligence and saw that there was a lot being routed through Gnossi Safe Proxy. The core components of Gnossi Safe are the Safe Master Copy, which is the smart contract template that defines the logic and functionality of all safe accounts, and the Safe Proxy, which is an instance of the master copy that holds funds and executes transactions for each safe account. It requires a minimum number of people to approve a transaction before it can occur. Now, this added layer of security helps to protect against the loss or theft of funds. And I was also able to track funds coming in from the EMC DAO. So I have a feeling that these wallets belong to the project itself. If you're even more familiar on this, let us know in the comment section so we can all investigate this together. Right, and then we're going to look at a bullish and bearish scenario. And in a bullish scenario for Edge Matrix, the platform successfully capitalizes on the growing demand for AI by providing cost-effective decentralized AI computing power. The unique EMC Protocol could become widely adopted, leading to a surge in the platform's token value as more developers and companies utilize this network. This growth would be fueled by successful partnerships, technological advancements, and a strong community of supporters and users driving innovation to the platform. Conversely, in a bearish scenario, Edge Matrix might struggle with adoption, facing stiff competition from established cloud providers and other blockchain-based AI services. Technical challenges or security vulnerabilities could arise, leading to a loss of trust and a decrease in token value. Now, additionally, regulatory changes in the cryptocurrency or AI sectors could negatively impact the platform's operation and growth prospects. Either way, this project represents a significant step forward in the convergence of blockchain technology and AI, promising to revolutionize industries by making AI more accessible, affordable, and secure. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!